Hello everyone, welcome to TextureMyth. In this session, we will discuss about another function or another method of Python, which is count. So for count, we have created few scenarios here. One by one, we will go through each scenario and we'll discuss how we can utilize count method in different scenarios. Okay, so let's discuss about the first scenario. Here, what we are doing on line number 9, we are storing some string to this text variable. So you can see I have stored hello world. Now on line number 10, what we are doing, we are printing it as it is. Just to show you a proper output, I have created this line. So what it will do, it will show before method used and then the actual content without any modification. So output would be before method use hello world. Okay, and after that we are trying to use count method. So how to use count method? So for that you need to use variable name dot count, and in the argument uh, you can pass the argument which you want to count. So here you can see I am passing a small l. So what it will do in this, it will search for the small l letter in entire string, and if it finds it, then it will count, and at the end it will show the total count of the, or you can say number of occurrence, how much time it is repeated will be populated to this count variable, and then we are printing it as an output. So after method use, it would be printed as output, and to print or to concatenate with the string, we are using this str method, and then we are changing the line with \n. So let's save this and press Ctrl Shift tilde from your keyboard. This is my shortcut to open the terminal. If you have set up your any other shortcut, then you can open terminal from here also. Okay, from here you can open terminal, but for now I will go with here. So I will write Python, then space and session 17.py, then hit enter. So it will give some outputs. So we will focus on the first scenario. So here you can see that before method use it was hello world, and then we search, we have counted for letter small l, right? So it returns 3, which is correct because small l is written 3 times. So this is the one scenario where we can utilize count method. Okay, in a same manner, let's say if I look for letter D. So what it will do, it will show me the count of letter D in this entire string. So if I scroll up, you can see D is written, the occurrence of D is 1. Fine. Now we will discuss about the second scenario. So in second scenario, what we are doing, we are storing one string, which is Python is fun, in text variable. Then we are printing it as it is, and \n is for changing the line. So before method use, it is text, and below to this on line number 19, we are using count method to print the to count the letter small n. So here you can see in this string n is repeated 2 times, but as this is a case sensitive, so it will return only 1. Why? Because small n is present only 1 time. So it will avoid this capital N, because this is capital, not the small one, right? So if I do page down to see the second scenario output, you can see it is 1, which is correct, because another n is of capital letter, which is not correct, right? So that's why it prints only 1. Fine. So this is the second scenario. Now we will discuss about the scenario third. So here what we are doing, we are trying to count the number. We are trying to find out the occurrence of number. So in the same way, I print the actual string, and then we are using the count method. Inside the argument, I am passing 5. So what it will do, it will count the 5 in the entire string. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then it will print the output. So here we are using str function to convert the output into string and to concatenate it with string. So here you can see after method uses 4, which is correct because 5 is repeated at 4 times. So this is very useful method or function, you can say, because there are multiple scenario in project where we can use this count method to count the letter or the word inside a table. Okay, just try one more thing. Let's say if I pass here hello, so how much what should be the output here? Let's see. I search for hello and I will rerun the program. So here you can see it prints 1. Why? Because hello is repeated only one time, and if I make it another hello here, then it should show 2, because now the hello world is repeated 2 times. So whether you can, yes, it is correct, it is repeating 2 times. So whether you are passing any character or any word, it will check the count for that particular argument, and then it will return the output as a count. So yeah, these are some basic scenarios where we can utilize count method. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.